Ever wondered why Bangalore is often called the Silicon Valley of India? Well, let's delve into the heart of this vibrant city, the pulsating nerve center of India's tech industry. Bangalore, or Bengaluru as it's officially called, is the capital city of Karnataka, a southern state in India. But it's not just any capital city, it's the epicenter of India's high-tech industry, and hence, quite fittingly, earned the nickname India's Silicon Valley. Situated over 3,000 feet above sea level, the climate here is as cool as the innovative ideas that emerge from the city. Bangalore is home to a vast number of software companies, tech startups, and research institutions. It's a city where dreams transform into reality, where ideas morph into groundbreaking technologies. From the small garage-style startups to the towering offices of global tech giants like Microsoft, Google, and Infosys, Bangalore is a sprawling tech oasis. It's a city that never sleeps, with the hum of code being written, solutions being developed, and innovations coming to life echoing through the night. But Bangalore's prominence in the tech scene is not a recent phenomenon. It's been decades in the making. The city's tryst with technology began way back in the 1980s, when the Indian government set up public sector companies in electronics, aerospace, and defense. This set the ball rolling, and Bangalore evolved into a major tech hub, attracting talent from across the country and even beyond. The city's strategic location, its pleasant climate, availability of skilled workforce, and forward-thinking policies have all contributed to its status as a tech powerhouse. Today, Bangalore stands tall as the largest IT exporter in India, contributing a significant chunk to the country's IT exports. It's not just about the business here, though. Bangalore has also played a pivotal role in India's technological growth and digital revolution, helping the country leapfrog into the digital age. It's a city that's always on the move, always innovating, always evolving. So now you know why Bangalore is the nerve center of India's tech industry. But did you know that Bangalore isn't just about technology? Often known as the Silicon Valley of India, Bangalore wears another equally impressive crown, that of the Garden City of India. This nickname is not a mere hyperbole, but a testament to the city's unyielding commitment to preserving its green spaces amidst rapid urbanization. Take Cubbon Park, for instance. Right in the heart of the city, this sprawling green space covers over 300 acres, providing a refreshing respite from the hustle and bustle of the city. It's not just a park, but a living, breathing entity that symbolizes Bangalore's symbiotic relationship with nature. Here, one can witness the city's residents engaging in morning walks, yoga sessions, or simply basking in the serenity that the park offers. Then, there's the Lal Bagh Botanical Garden, a botanical marvel that dates back to the 18th century. Home to more than 1,000 species of flora, Lal Bagh is a testament to the city's botanical richness. It's a place where nature enthusiasts can lose themselves in the labyrinth of exotic plants, and where families can enjoy a leisurely picnic under the shade of ancient trees. But Bangalore's commitment to green spaces goes beyond these iconic parks. The city is dotted with numerous smaller parks and gardens, each contributing to the city's verdant landscape. From the manicured lawns of the Bangalore Palace grounds to the city's numerous tree-lined avenues, Bangalore's commitment to sustainability and nature preservation is evident at every corner. It's this harmonious blend of urban development and environmental sustainability that sets Bangalore apart. Here, towering skyscrapers coexist with sprawling parks, and the hum of traffic is often drowned by the chirping of birds. It's a city that has not just adapted, but thrived amidst the challenges of urban growth while staying true to its roots. And so, as the sun sets over the city's skyline, casting a golden hue over its green spaces, one can't help but marvel at this unique blend of technology and nature. Bangalore, a city where technology meets nature, truly is the green city. Scene script. Have you ever experienced the vibrant culture of Bangalore. Just as a kaleidoscope displays an ever-changing pattern of shapes and colors, so too does Bangalore's culture. A beautiful blend of the old and the new. The city, with its diverse population, has a unique cultural milieu that can be seen in the lifestyles of its residents. From high-tech workers rushing to their modern glass and steel offices to traditional artisans meticulously crafting their wares, the city presents a fascinating juxtaposition of the contemporary and the traditional. The city's population is a mix of different cultures, religions, and languages that have come together to form a unique cultural blend. Here, you'll see a seamless cohabitation of the old and the new. High-rise buildings stand tall next to age-old temples, and shopping malls coexist with traditional markets. This harmony between the past and the present is what makes Bangalore's culture so distinct and appealing. Bangalore's local festivals are a sight to behold. The city comes alive during these celebrations with vibrant decorations, lively music, and exuberant performances. Festivals like Karaga, which is one of the oldest and most important festivals celebrated in the city, bring the entire community together, regardless of their religion or social status. The city's language, Kannada, is spoken by the majority of the residents. It's a language that's as rich in history as the city itself, with its roots going back over 1,000 years. And then there's the food. Bangalore's cuisine is a gastronomic delight. Whether it's the traditional Kannada meals served on banana leaves or the street food that's as diverse as its people, every bite tells a story of the city's rich cultural heritage. And so, from its diverse population to its vibrant festivals, from its age-old language to its delectable cuisine, Bangalore's culture is a melting pot of traditions and modernity. It's a city that embraces its past while looking towards the future, creating a cultural tapestry that is as diverse as it is vibrant. Indeed, Bangalore's culture is as diverse and vibrant as its tech scene. Are you a traveler seeking new adventures and experiences? If so, buckle up, because we're about to embark on an exhilarating tour around Bangalore, a city that is not just the tech capital of India, but also a tourist's paradise. In the heart of the city lies the Bangalore Palace, a true testament to the city's rich historical heritage. This palace, with its Tudor-style architecture and sprawling gardens, is a reminder of the grandeur of the Vodaya dynasty. Every corner of this palace tells a story, making it a must-visit for history enthusiasts. Moving from the grandeur of the palace, we find ourselves at the serene and spiritual ISKCON temple. This magnificent temple, dedicated to Lord Krishna, is a haven for spiritual seekers. It stands tall as a beacon of peace and tranquility amidst the hustle and bustle of the city. Just a stone's throw away from the ISKCON temple is the Tipu Sultan's summer palace. This palace, once the summer retreat of the famous ruler Tipu Sultan, is an architectural marvel. With its intricate woodwork and beautifully landscaped gardens, it's a sight to behold. But Bangalore is not just about palaces and temples. The city's bustling local markets are a paradise for shopaholics. From traditional Indian saris and handicrafts to exotic spices and local delicacies, these markets offer a shopping experience like no other. The vibrancy and energy of these markets truly capture the spirit of Bangalore. And let's not forget the city's vast array of restaurants and cafes, serving everything from local South Indian cuisine to international delicacies. Foodies will find themselves spoilt for choice in this culinary paradise. So whether you're a history buff, a spiritual seeker, a shopaholic, or a foodie, Bangalore has something for everyone. The city's unique blend of history, culture, and modernity makes it a must-visit destination for every traveler. From history buffs to shopaholics, Bangalore has something for every kind of traveler. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting adventure? So, what makes Bangalore so unique? Well, let's take a moment to recap what we've uncovered about this vibrant city. First and foremost, Bangalore holds the esteemed title of India's Silicon Valley. It's a global tech hub pulsating with innovation and brimming with opportunities. Home to hundreds of multinational software companies, startups, and IT firms, it's a city that's constantly on the move, always looking ahead to the future. It's the place where dreams are coded into reality, where ideas take shape and innovations come to life. But Bangalore isn't just about technology. It's also a green city, a breathtaking urban oasis dotted with parks, gardens, and lakes. It's a place where the hustle and bustle of city life coexist with the serene tranquility of nature. The city's green spaces offer a respite from the digital world, providing a perfect balance between the fast-paced tech scene and the calming influence of nature. Let's not forget about Bangalore's rich cultural tapestry. It's a melting pot of diverse traditions, languages, and cuisines. From the vibrant festivals and lively art scene to the tantalizing flavors of its street food, Bangalore's culture is as colorful and dynamic as its tech landscape. It's a city that celebrates its heritage while embracing modernity, creating a unique blend of the old and the new. And of course, Bangalore is a tourist's paradise. With its myriad of historical landmarks, temples, and museums, it offers a treasure trove of experiences for travelers. Whether you're looking to delve into the city's rich history, marvel at its architectural wonders, or simply soak in the local culture, Bangalore has something for everyone. In conclusion, Bangalore is a city of contrasts and harmony, where the past and future coexist, where technology meets tradition, and where every corner holds a new surprise. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a nature lover, a culture vulture, or a traveler, Bangalore is a city that promises to captivate and amaze you in every possible way.